Do you want to learn how to work with your chakras for physical, emotional, and mental healing? In this video, I'll introduce the chakra system, what they're related with, and how to work with your chakras for healing. I'm George Lizos, and I empower lightworkers with tools and guidance to find, follow, and fulfill their life purpose. If you're ready to follow yours, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'm also excited to announce that my third book, Protect Your Light, is available to order globally on Amazon. In the book, you'll learn powerful practices to cleanse, shield, and strengthen your energy so that you can follow your purpose fearlessly. Specifically, you'll get to cut cords to toxic relationships, remove psychic daggers of attack, and learn how to effectively protect your energy online. I'll pop the link for it in the description below so you can check it out. There's an energetic component to all illnesses, whether these are physical, emotional, mental, or spiritual. In my psychic clearing sessions, whenever someone comes to me with an imbalance, I start by scanning the chakras to identify the energetic root cause. Whether this is a karmic contract, spirit attachment, or etheric dagger, after removing these blocks, they immediately feel better. Essentially, balancing your chakras first speeds up the healing process, and I'm excited to help you do so in this video. Let's start by defining our terms. Your chakras are wheel-shaped energy portals found in specific locations in the center of your body, acting as mediums of communication between your physical and spiritual sides. They look like multicolored lotus petals that whirl at various speeds as they transmit life force energy through the physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual bodies. Therefore, they're essential at promoting health in mind, body, and spirit. There are 7 major chakras in your body, each of which governs a different set of physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual parts of your being. These are the root, sacral, solar plexus, heart, throat, third eye, and crown chakras. Each of your 7 chakras has its own features and energies and is located in different parts of your body. So let's talk about each chakra's specific properties as this relates to healing. The root chakra is located at the base of your spine in the tailbone area. Its color is red and it's connected to your physical presence, your relationship to the material world, and your basic human needs. When blocked, you may experience physical issues such as constipation, arthritis, and bladder issues, and feel emotionally unstable and ungrounded. The sacral chakra is located just below the belly button in the center of your body, and it has the color orange. It's connected to your sexuality, creativity, and your emotions. When blocked, you can experience UTIs, lower back pain, and other issues associated with that area of the body. Emotionally, you may experience lack of self-worth around pleasure and sexuality, or difficulty in accessing and expressing your emotions. The solar plexus chakra is located in the center of your upper abdomen where your stomach area is. It's got a yellow color and it's connected to your confidence, your self-esteem, and overall sense of self. A blocked solar plexus chakra can result in digestive issues, eating disorders, and indigestion. Emotional imbalances will more likely be connected to lack of self-confidence and self-esteem. The heart chakra is located in the center of your chest and its color is green. It's associated with love and compassion, and when it's blocked, it can lead to physical heart problems, asthma and lung-related issues, and emotional difficulty in connecting with yourself and others. Being in the middle of the upper and lower chakras, your heart chakra acts as a bridge between them. And therefore, when it's blocked, it can also block all the other chakras too. Your throat chakra is in the center of your throat. It's got a blue color and it's associated with communication. A blockage within the throat chakra can result in throat or voice problems, as well as any problems surrounding that area, such as teeth, gum, and the mouth. Emotionally, a blocked throat chakra can result in fear of sharing your truth, both physically and emotionally. The third eye chakra is located between your eyes in the center of your head. It's got an indigo color and it's associated with your intuition and imagination. Physical issues or a blockage within this chakra can include headaches and issues with sight or concentration. Spiritually, a blocked third eye chakra will prevent you from accessing your intuition and seeing the big picture. And finally, the crown chakra is located at the top of your head and it's got a white or violet color. It's connected with spiritual awareness and divine intelligence, helping you receive guidance from the spirit world. When it's blocked, you'll likely have issues with knowing and following your life purpose and connecting to your spiritual nature. Instead, you'll find yourself be narrow-minded and skeptical, feeling unfulfilled with your life and your choices. As conduits between your physical presence and the spiritual, energetic world around you, your chakras have sponge-like properties, absorbing energy from others and your surroundings. Because all chakras are connected by an energetic channel that runs in a zigzag pattern, an attack on one might impact the entire system. To promote physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual healing, it's important to daily cleanse and energize your chakras. If you haven't been consciously clearing and shielding your chakras throughout your life, then all the energy attachments you've attracted over time may still be there, clouding, clogging, and dampening your energy. When I clairvoyantly scan people's energy before they've done any kind of clearing, I often see chakras that are dense and disfigured, clogged with energetic debris and attachments. The colors are dark or pale, their vibrational frequency is low, and the spinning and therefore metabolizing is low. To cleanse and energize your chakras, you need to use physical or meditation-based practices to remove the energetic attachments they've accumulated, followed by high vibe frequencies to raise their vibration. Once you remove the energetic attachments and energize the chakras, you automatically escalate the healing process of the associated physical, emotional, and mental issues. If you're ready to learn how to cleanse and energize your chakras to promote healing, make sure to check out my book, Protect Your Light. In the book, you'll learn more about your energy immune system, which includes the chakras, as well as a 7-step process of clearing your chakras from toxic energy cords and other negative attachments. By the way, I have a 6-part video series all about chakras, during which I explain what each chakra is associated with, how to unblock the chakras, how to perform chakra healing, chakra color and crystal associations, and also scientific facts about the chakras. I'll pop the link of the episodes in the description below so you can check them out. You can get even more guidance on chakra healing in my free Facebook group for Lightworkers, Your Spiritual Toolkit. It's full of trainings, prompts, and guidance from others and myself to guide you on your path. If you feel called to join us, I would love to see you there. Thank you so much for watching, Lightworker. I hope you've enjoyed this, I hope you've learned something, and I hope you're a step closer to mastering chakra healing. Please let me know in the comments any questions you have, and be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.